Welcome to the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus. It's the 13th of July 2022 and I am Oshunniyi bringing you the weekly dose of blockchain news. Coming up, Samsung goes further into the Metaverse. A Solana NFT marketplace embraces Web3 gaming. Animoca brand secures a bag of millions of dollars. OKX reduces deposit cost. Find out how as we get you updated on the Crypto Weekly News. First up, Samsung, the electronics company, is launching a metaverse world constructed as a part of the Roblox universe. The experience, called Space Tycoon, will allow users to participate as a part of Space Station, getting resources to design and produce Samsung products. The virtual world will also offer the opportunity to purchase items for the players' avatars from a shop. This experience is directed toward a younger audience, which will have the opportunity to learn about the brand and its products. Speaking about Samsung Space Tycoon, Jin-Soo Kim, who happens to be the Executive Vice President at Corporate Design Center in Samsung Electronics, stated this: "We wanted to give our Gen Z customers a chance to experience Samsung products in a way they have never done before. We will continue to showcase content that can deliver more meaningful and entertaining digital experiences for both our current and future customers." Meanwhile, leading Solana NFT marketplace Magic Eden is expanding its presence in the Web3 space. The company has unveiled Magic Venture, a new investment arm that will focus primarily on Web3 gaming. The new venture arm comes weeks after Magic Eden raised $130 million in a Series B round that valued the young startup as a crypto unicorn. Back then, the company revealed that part of the funds will be used to ramp up its efforts in the NFT gaming market. Magic Eden has named Tony Zhao, a former employee of Chinese gaming giant Tencent, as its new head of gaming investments. Zhao earlier reported that Magic Ventures will pursue investments that are purely strategic in nature. Furthermore, the new unit will prioritize supporting developers of NFT-based video games as opposed to approaching investments with the goal of making returns. We are not thinking about returns, never have and never will. It's just to align our partnership together, right? We truly want to be the go-to partners for these developers, Zhao reported earlier. Also, the Hong Kong-based crypto gaming, NFT and venture capital company Animoca Brands has raised $75.32 million, according to an announcement published on the 12th of July. The newly raised capital stems from investors like Cosmic Summit Investment, Liberty City Ventures, Kingsway Capital, Alpha Wave Ventures, 10T, SG Spring Limited Partnership Fund, and Generation Highway Limited. Animoca explained that the new funds will be dedicated towards funding strategic acquisition investment and product development, secure licenses for popular intellectual properties, and advance the open metaverse. The company plans to bolster the promotion of digital property rights with the funding as well. The co-founder and executive chairman of Animoca Brands, Yatsu, commented on the subject of digital property rights and the Web3 industry. Digital property rights represent a society-defining generational shift that impacts everyone online and will set the stage for the emergence of the open metaverse. We are deeply honored to continue to enjoy strong support from investors as we work to solidify the leadership position of Animoca Brands in the Web3 industry and in the field of true digital ownership. The $75 million raise follows Animoca's capital raise back in January when the company secured $358 million. At that time, Animoca noted that the $358 million would be used for acquisitions and IP licenses alongside using the financing to increase NFT and metaverse adoption. And finally, OKX, the world-leading cryptocurrency platform, today announced that Tether's USDT stablecoin, the EURT Euro-pegged stablecoin, and Tether Gold have come to OKX chain OKC. The launch of USDT on OKC not only reduces the cost of making deposits and withdrawals, but enables greater speeds. This means users enjoy faster USDT transfers with an average cost per transaction of just $0.0001. The fact that Tether has officially issued a licensed smart contract to OKC means that USDT investors also enjoy greater security when trading on OKC. OKX chain is only the 12th public chain in the world on which Tether, one of the world's largest stablecoins by market cap, is listed. Lennox Lai, Director of Financial Markets OKX, said this: Tether only lists USDT on some of the most prominent and successful public blockchains in the world, so we are delighted to welcome USDT to OKX chain. OKX chain is one of the few public chains that exists at the intersection of Ethereum and Cosmos, which means that users can enjoy the benefits offered by both ecosystems. Tether is one of the most successful stablecoins out there, and we are thrilled to be adding new bridges and trading pairs to help further expand the Tether ecosystem. OKC's EVM compatibility allows it to connect USDT with Cosmos. Paolo Ardonio, CTO Tether, said this: "The launch of Tether on OKC marks its debut on a Cosmos EVM chain. We are excited to collaborate with OKX to support the growth of OKX chain across many new use cases." In addition to USDT coming to OKX chain, the partnership sees both EURT and Tether Gold come to the OKX blockchain. While EURT is a stablecoin pegged to the euro, Tether Gold is a digital token backed by physical gold. And that's it for the weekly news update here on Crypto TV Plus. For more market updates and all the happenings captured in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency, visit our website cryptotvplus.com. Also follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook and Twitter at CryptoTVPlus, and on Instagram at officialCryptoTVPlus to get daily info on our programs. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button as well. And just in case you have questions regarding any of our news, join me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I am Oshunniyi. Until next time.